Learn synonyms words hate with examples. Abhor. I abhor the taste of medicine. I abhor the taste of medicine. I abhor waiting in long lines. I abhor waiting in long lines. I abhor the sound of a fire alarm. I abhor the sound of a fire alarm. Detest. We detest being stuck in traffic. We detest being stuck in traffic. They detest cleaning the bathroom. They detest cleaning the bathroom. They detest being late, so they always arrive early. They detest being late, so they always arrive early. Dislike. Antony began to dislike anyone who smoked. Antony began to dislike anyone who smoked. I have a strong dislike for spicy food. I have a strong dislike for spicy food. She has a dislike of cold weather. She has a dislike of cold weather. Despise. We despise to go to the gym. We despise to go to the gym. They despise to clean their room. They despise to clean their room. We despise the taste of burnt food. We despise the taste of burnt food. Loathe. They loathed each other on sight. They loathed each other on sight. I loathe having to get up so early in the morning. I loathe having to get up so early in the morning. I absolutely loathe shopping. I absolutely loathe shopping. Abominate. They abominate cruelty to animals. They abominate cruelty to animals. We abominate dirty and disorganized homes. We abominate dirty and disorganized homes. All the teachers abominate cheating in examinations. All the teachers abominate cheating in examinations. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.